installing can lights in a ceiling as a renovation is a pretty easy task. There'll be 6-inch holes cut in the ceiling. It's worth buying a little hole saw to do that and run the wires in between. And then the product, these units right here for doing an old work installation. This would be the housing that goes up into the ceiling. So this tab pulls down, pop the plate out, and these connectors are already set up for plugging your wires into. Probably the biggest nuisance task is to pop these little metal buttons out. So you figure out which side is most convenient for you to pop these through. And once that's popped out, there needs to be a plastic grommet like this popped in so that the wire can feed through that and not have a chance of getting scored and ground out on the housing. If you're going to do several of these, another little handy tool would be the wire cutting pliers. This has a specific shape for 14-2 and 12-2 wire, so you can clip it right over there, and this just pulls off. You'd probably just do that in one fell swoop, but I need a free hand right now. And so once this is peeled back, then the other little skinning part right there can be used to strip these wires off. And going up, this is what it looks like at the box insulation. So you have the connector, and this just slides right into that hole there. So you're connecting whites together, the hot blacks together, and then the bare ground wires. And then once those are connected, this just gets inserted up through the hole and snaps into place with the little devices on the inside. And then literally you screw in kind of like a light bulb, any variety of LED light or whatever style light that you want. But these days there's so many different choices. This one even has an adjustable how bright the white is, so you could change your mind later. So nice products out there and really easy to install. And I laid out the lighting grid in this room where the front half is on one set and the back half is on another, and ran switches 3 ways so that they could be turned on and off at either side of the room.